on my way to the dive shop. Hentacular! Alright, I'm not sure about walking anymore. Jesus Christ. What livestock is living there? Bloody hell. I'm glad I don't live next to chicken. The birds are annoying enough. I can't imagine living next to chickens. Oh my god. Cool. I swear to god I'm gonna break this thing. I don't know if you guys know, but I'm huge. Like, I got a lot of muscle mass. Alright, here goes. Whee! Oh shit. It's uneven because I'm not holding it with my left hand. Alright, that's enough. It's just a swing. I'm like the only one for the 9 AM, so it's like a PT session, baby.
So good morning, Henry. My name is Haron. I'll be your dive master later. So this is our boat captain, Joel. This is Pogi, our boat crew. Okay, so our dive site for this morning first dive will be at Laguna Reef. So that's gonna be around like 10 minutes boat ride from here.
This dive was cut short. I had some issues trying to decompress my ears as well as a blister on my toe. Heading back home, and of course it's another one of these days, but I love it. Okay, that was the shower of the millennium. Oh, that was such a much needed shower. Gonna rest a bit and then gonna go grab some grub. Oh shit, I touched the lens. Well, turns out they got room service, baby. I'm going back in. Yeah. Oh Jesus, that is pouring. Oh shit, I didn't know it was pouring that much. Oh no. Holy shit, that is pouring. Alright, I'm gonna have to grab another shower, I guess.
Chicken burger!
It's one of those meals you eat in complete silence. Just because of how tired you are.
Chicken burger!
Was okay though. Well, it's gonna be rainy for the rest of the day, and I'm tired from scuba, so good night. Very interesting. The brisket is soft, but they also see the outside, so there's a crust like a steak. Also, I am not used to sweet potato mash having this color. The sad thing about this place at the moment is the typhoon season. I really wish I could walk the streets more and roam around just willy-nilly, but it's sprinkling right now and I think the rain is actually picking up. I don't know if you can tell because it's night time, it's pretty dark, but my face is getting quite wet. Oh shit, the rain is really picking up now. Alright guys, we're gonna try some traditional Filipino Taiwanese milk tea. Yo, this is better than whatever I had in Japan.
Oh, check out the Japan clothes.
Guys, look, this place has salt and pepper, spice, and a communal floss. That's the first. Typhoon season, ladies and gentlemen. If you're okay with rain, look, I'm okay with rain actually. It's just, it occurs so frequently and it gets quite exhausting. So, I don't know, not exhausting, but it really brings the mood down knowing you can't do things you wanted to do. But yeah. Oh, that's bloody scary. It's like nearly pitch black. Oh god. Jiminy Jillikers. I'm not gonna lie, it's a bit scary walking here. There's no one else around except one person walking their dog, but it is what it is. Oh my god, the rain is picking up as well. Please let me get home. Oh my god, what the hell? There's a bloody frog here. Goodbye, frog. Well, that's another night lost to rain. I guess what that means is more sleep. Good night.